This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am not encouraging gambling. If you choose to play, please gamble responsibly and only use money you can afford to lose. So I'm trying out a new strategy. It has a certain number of progressions. So we're gonna see how it pans out. Um, all right, so lost the first one. So now we're going up to step two, which is two corners and a split. If this hits, that'll give us 4 units. I kind of like this because a lot of the hits, even after a loss, will still give you, some good units. 7 red, that's another loss. Man, looking at this guy's hit first. Okay, that was the second column, but he's hit first column one, two, three, four, 5 out of the last 6. So the next step, you've seen this before where I got 2 corners at 2 and 1 split at 1. This gives you 13s across the board, which will put us at +8. So still giving us some good profit if we can hit an 11. This guy loves first dozen. All right, so this next step, you go up to 2 corners and 2 splits. Here we go. That's a hit right there. So that would give us 2 units. Uh, Actually, I'm noticing there's an issue. Um, we're at 57.4, but we should be at 53. So I'm gonna pause and fix that because we should not be at that value. Also, so I switched to 5 double streets because um I realized that I did not set up my chart properly um for the new strategy. So I'm just gonna run 5 double streets and try to end this session out at 54. If we can end it at 54, that'd be great because then we would basically, we come out positive because we're on the 1%. We're supposed to come out at 53.7. So coming out at 54, we're 3 cents ahead. So we are progressing faster than the 1%, but shooting, like I said, shooting for 63 in this session would not be smart. So right now we're at 53.6. We only need 40 cents for that 54 goal. That's 4 more wins. Let's see if we can just walk it down to those 4 wins. If we can just use the coverage to get us where we need to be. Ooh, that's a two black. That's a W. It's W. So now we're at 53.7. So we only need three more wins in a row, and we will be at 54. So we're gonna run it back with same bet on first, second, third, fourth, and fifth double street. And see if we can hit to where we only have 20 cents left. Does that say what shoes do you want? Shoes you want, Sally. What? And that's a four black, puts us at 53.8. So now we can actually be done. I'm going point two on this one because if we hit, that'll end it. We don't have to worry about trying to hit twice. So let's hope it works. This man said, red, what? Give me my money. Well, let's see if the dealer gives us what we want. 30 or less. No zero. 30 or less. No zero. Oh, come on. Something told me going up, they would just do us dirty. Like, I believe in the coverage, but man, it's just like, it's like, yeah, yeah, you want to go up? Okay. All right. So with that, we are a dollar down. We got a long way to go. 52.8. I'm just gonna do a 4 cent or 4 cent on each street, which is a 4 cent win. Get us back up to 53 instantly. Even though I mean we only needed three to get or two to get to 53. We're trying to get a little bit above 53 with this one. Believe in the coverage. It's only seven numbers. Oh, yes. So that's a five. That's a nice little win. Gets us up to 53.2. So now we're 8 cents away. Um, man, how am I feeling about this one? 8 cents away. Should I just, you know what? I'm gonna go all in. I think I'm gonna go all in with this one. We could go 4 cents, but I'm going all in. Give us what we need, Sally. Give us what we need. Give us what we need. If we hit this, that'll be the end of the session. We'll be at 54. Um, we're not trying to go for any crazy numbers again because I realized trying to get those 6% daily wins. Yes, 15 black. Okay. So that's the W. Um, with that, wow, it says $4.80. So with that, we're at 54. We could call it a day. We're gonna head over to the spreadsheet. No, I was muted. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all social medias at MLD369.